Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see. Subscribe if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you so much for coming back, baby. That's on period, that's on period. Okay guys, so today it is a Saturday. I decided to start a new vlog because the one that I was doing is long. Sorry guys, I got a bit distracted, but I'm starting this new vlog because the one that I had started, or the one that I was doing or filming rather, just got too long, and I don't like creating long videos because you guys don't really watch or engage with them. So I try to keep it within 15 minutes. If it's more than 15 minutes, just know that I don't know, ngitholi information engakhulu, ngitholi content engakhulu. Anyways, I'm just here guys to tell you that I finally bought my air fryer. I'm super excited. I bought my air fryer and we are going to unbox it together. So this is her. I need to take a picture for content, or I'll take it after I've unboxed it. Okay, so that's her. I'm gonna unbox her on the table so that we can see her together. Okay. Super excited. It's not what I wanted, the brand, because I wanted the Philips one, but then I couldn't afford it. So for now, this is what we can afford, and I'm grateful that I can even afford this. I've been wanting to buy an air fryer for quite some time now because I'm a lazy girl. Okay, so let's unbox her. Morning guys. So today it is Friday. I'm not sure when we last spoke. I think I was unboxing my air fryer, so yeah, which I absolutely love, by the way. So yeah, today it is Friday. I am at work. The time right now is 7:22. I'm here at work because today we have a formal function, not really a formal function, but like a year-end party situation going on. Yeah, so I'm here because I'm a taxi that we're hired to take us there. We'll start here on 17 and then go to the venue. So yeah, I'm taking you guys with me today. Hopefully we're gonna have fun, but as long as the drinks are flowing, for me that's fun, because yeah. Anyways, I really hope that you enjoy this part of the vlog, or the vlog itself. I hope you're enjoying it. Please like and comment, guys, please. I feel like you guys are not doing the most. I really appreciate you watching. Please also like and comment, even if it's something as small as like your skin is glowing, or I like your hair, or where did you get that scarf from? Guys, even if it's a heart, please do the most for your girl. I need it. Yeah, also I need to talk to you guys about something I'm going through, but we're not gonna talk here. This is not the time or the place. So when we're cozy, I think I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow about it. Yeah, also tomorrow I need to go to Durban. I have to go to Macro because there's a secret Santa situation going on here at work, and I need to buy that gift. So yeah, that's my life right now, and yeah, we'll see as the day unfolds. We'll see. Let's put it in because I also don't know. Yeah. They're leaving me. You can call me a night owl. I look super cute. Guys, so today it is Wednesday. Yeah, I'm in Durban right now at my sister's because I must daily I will cook since last week Thursday, and today it's Wednesday, so it's been a week now as my case. Anyways, I'm in Durban, right? And right now I am taking you guys with me to Zai for a ladies' night situation where cocktails are 50 rand. So I just thought, let me go get like 4 cocktails and some hubbly and then come back and sleep. Yeah, so the time right now is 8, let's just say 8:20. I'm hoping by 10 or 10:30 I'll be back at the house. Also, I didn't get to bring appropriate shoes, so I'm wearing my Crocs. If being cheese then gizo cheek. If not, then let's go get drunk and have fun. Yeah, I was gonna show you guys the outfit, but I don't have a mirror in this house, so guys, so yeah, also I don't have my tripod with me, so my hand is kind of suffering right now, so we'll talk when we talk. This is definitely what I came for. I hope you guys can hear me, but this is what I came for, period. Hi guys, so I just got back. I got back at about 12:30. The time right now is 12:42. I've been trying to film this part of the video, okay, with my back camera, but I'm not getting the angles right. So I'm just gonna do this front camera. Sorry if the quality is bad. So yeah, overall the experience was very nice. It was a good experience. I've only been to Zai once. This was the second time, and I went there alone. It was a solo date. Highly recommend solo dates, guys, because Mesolinda Bafana, so Linda forever, I'm telling you now. So rather you take yourself out, so that when you find the right person and they're not doing that, you can easily leave them because they're not living up to your standard, period. Okay, anyways, so yeah, so I got there. I'm not sure about the time, but when I got there, I wanted to sit in the smoking area, obviously, because I needed my hubly. And then the hostess said that there was no space in the smoking area, so she just got me a spot at the actual restaurant, which I had to wait for like 30 minutes so that I could get my actual spot at the smoking area, right? And then I was moved to the smoking area. When I got there, I ordered hubly, and listen guys, I had to wait for like an hour or more, probably more, to get the hubly. And then when the hubly guy came, I was just like, bro, why do we need to wait for an hour to get hubly? And then he was just like, if it gets busy, the hublies are always busy, you know, it's kind of hard to find like a hubly. And I'm just like, okay, since you guys are a business, why don't you buy more hublies? Because you know that it gets busy here, especially on Wednesdays. So why are you guys not buying other hublies so that everyone is catered for, you know? But he just said I must speak to the manager or whatever. And I was just like, you know what, it's fine because my hubly is here. Let me just smoke and drink. So yeah, the cocktails, guys, were a 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, every cocktail that I tried was a 10 out of 10. I tried a margarita. Obviously it wouldn't be a Yenzi's vlog, or I wouldn't be drinking if a margarita is not part of the equation, okay? The margarita is a 10 out of 10, period. I like margaritas, guys. So yeah, the cocktails were really nice. With regards to in the smoking area, I think I could have gotten there more, like I could have gotten there earlier, so that I got like a spot in the smoking area. And then maybe 40, if I got there earlier, I was gonna also get my hubly on time. I don't know, but the hubly situation, they have to sort it out, because I was affected because I was about to leave, because why am I not having the hubly that I came here for? Okay, but overall, shame, it was a nice experience. I really enjoyed myself. But I do want to explore more of the Zai establishment restaurant, I don't know, place, because I was at the actual restaurant, and there's another part which is called the Zai village. I didn't go there. Next time I go to Zai, I'm gonna try and go there just to see the vibes, because where I was, it was very chilled and very relaxed. I was even able to edit this vlog, so it was very chilled. The music wasn't too loud. They were playing the same songs, but shame, if you are going there on like a third date or like a catch-up session with your ladies, it would totally work. Yeah, I think that's my review with the restaurant situation. Next time I go there, I'll probably ask to go to the village part of it, And then yeah, also they have a breakfast buffet on Saturdays for $2.50, and you get a mimosa as well. So I'm not sure if it's this Saturday that or any other Saturday, but I need to go and just explore that as well. Yeah, but I won't lie, enjoyed myself. And it wasn't because obviously it was a special, so I didn't spend much money. And the buffet that I want to go to is actually $2.50, so I won't be spending any money. But do note that they have a 10% tip situation going on. Even if you don't want to tip the waiters, the 10% is just there, like it's a standard. You need to pay the 10%. Also my hand is so yeah, that's that. Yeah, but I highly recommend. And then I know that I had said that I'm gonna talk to you guys about something. I think that'll happen on the next vlog, because I'm ending this one here. Thank you so much for watching until now. If you watched until now, please comment the cocktail emoji or champagne emoji, anything alcohol, so that I know that you watched until the end. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Please comment, guys, and like my video so that it gets recommended to other people as well, so that they can see this beautiful face. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much. I need to sleep. I have to wake up early tomorrow for work. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.